Abdul Basit Kuchire Akaman How programs or Uncle Bonnet Yele to Alabiela Zankpa, the current trending issue on education. Then in your Wesley girls mean Muslim students issues. And near Yele to Asheron Zoom Pahara the third time. This is my third trial. Kankan and Tijin Pion was zero film. Now for the first video, Karabina. Canon the second video, Canon consultations, and Nesara Dembian Suhama. I'll have to speak out today. Poeka wumye disclaimer, Bangama ka wumye to Alama. Kabane Tembe Ganama. So Kamala of fundamental rights. Anto zanga thoughts by about any religion Dembiane annually sham. Kawasu can mi ben kana ti yale to ashe zan kwa musu sibe dole telefon nta to akunya la jia die to amanda pile har carte bien ha te be ko tunu wadan pile yun shiele nda kentinye mma bi so pezo obon bahala kanye bantu muslim sham kama nirba ne cheka ba yalti yeran sham be ka ba yel muslim yeran about last school mama dina bezim samnata Wesley girls mean students shabanya musweno malta ko tuna karanyala kaman ba malata ba jingla puhbo zo no lwara zo ne bani yara zo inside campus ma anya so ka tinye ka nirba pam suhri yise about bam yana ba treater muslim bihdan nation but kanda pun yeldi to astar shel kay issue shedan non do ngoma bizang the judgment be the yet to almama ngabo nan nune man hankal puna fa man zama ye la shukur nan ngoma bagartama be ma yel mangle because I cannot will den check ay bagartama be ma yel mangle zan ya to soro sontan aka wonne ya shan musulun sinyala adini ka dole talni adini so at the first time ten on the mistakes shanga nyam shukur ma ba kpalem tam dole talzo the pala in a government school like Tiyumba like Danshele or EP or SDA go ma ba kpalem tam Christianity zo EP ba kpalem tam Christianity zo be karambe yar shanga bit am ba ka to Wesley girls ba kpalem tam akida shel zo so ka yunde kaman ne vehe to amatin yelesham I stand to be corrected be yelene la to alongoma min muslim be ma nyela kaman de be ne soro fu jong le shukurmane be na rolo no shukurmane be din ta ba min ma be huma ne ma tafshe zo ma nyama kadama be yelma na brazil jingle shukurmane which can sane man sane kan yeka ben yeshama ba ko yelmangle because mborman nta scenario nyanya ntihama shirtam kalen lezo kamante male musulense shukurte betem ye shukur shelen zangle dalam musulense pam ende borman tiwenya kamante nde to nyaka shukur behberen ne kanye dole nima ami takpamba na sa'atba ne be yelba kadama ya tinye dole shukur be ka gwa be pyonwa terbuar ni pite fasel nam la za'yenga Allah dali pa ka tugwar zal gungona den karnyala karma be jongman me shukur she ka karmen shukur be ni man ma za ka kulan pide fasel yenga tba Allah dali pa gba ku zan yi gungona piran ne ntin me njami na wonde nyesham I believe in tupam na tutote Christian swella any of the Islamic schools ma pune so mi problem na nye she no muslim be wonya makaman you see aneni beto ayam ba arbo wete zana yun la kare nan Islamic schools bian me ka wuhro pam kam mala wiya kan to non la shukurma nan da ban shaka Islamic secondary school biane tiya amadiya biane whole lot of things the yaaya but ami mana min faith ma ida kida ba dola di pa shel ka ba wo be ba kpang mang ba ka bora aku bor mana tab to wum na chen la Wesley a chen lo pokuara ta wum na chen la Ganasco Thomas Tamasco ka choose choice ma ka ti chan ka me ba zal kpana ma nyam ya do de ben chang ma tenye ne kama ton ko bi Gana o Gana zal kpan chang bi an kar ba chang tete be kar ba chang tama na bor nan be free gar la ben ku to so a chan ka shukur ma zai sete zai ya te dressing ko nyela ngo do musulen sene la dress ma ni re dress le musulen sene te ko le mane like azam bala ma ama ti yel mangle ka shukur ma ne shukur ma ne kala musulen be ma shaw jiya ne ku ye bi shukur ni ama ni za ma ama bu pambe samban ne ka ne di pa shukur halon yen so ne ngba shanga gba shukur ma den ma nyela hijabi entele treche ka dunia nam yune kama karman la musulen sinya la violence religion every time to mala problem anam ra yana tazan solo buwan de nirba kan na musulen sin ma treje karman la ta force musulen sin nirba zo yes that is their right but kuma love rights but miela shukurma ntambe Presbyterian fellowship zo me ba bra piel le kaman tintonya shambra piel le kaman dim vo shaban chen church ma be be hin chen la shukurma so I ti chang to final mang ni mane at the end of the day kamin ba maltaba enyama kama a chen na to force Islam taba ma der ma like ben shanga ti chele ka te non ka te boire conflict resolution issues the pala ben ya na nan ben shi ama kala option si ya ka Wesley konkonye su kurshani sai ne chankanan successful ben ben shanga dan te male solutions ibi che ka relate issue la issue mo mala solution if that is your first year or your second year are you just 13 year like then be mistake never pam you mistake in Changana asko can you student from the hotel can transfer lab na school because of policies man over there taba so what I was thinking is Wesley chang to sound like being attached to religion baby nung kama emotional to religion but me in power school and kayar na babo buar ban shanga den concerning kanela Islam and force or terba what I was trying to say is like you move where you find a way out and this will even be enough reason the Islamic SHS ba neram be yongo mo shede ba examples bian pam be yongo kam na tele style shele kaman ne buo no yongo yu no a mindset you are mentioning this SHS which can the problem na to example kama chan ko chire Islamic school mbata na swar be hebe ni ma ban to ya manan pi mata fasil ma shi ba Allah har da ka ba jamna na no en propagator men la be male muslim be so be it ka Wesley be propagator na la be male dolo ne ba. So this is just a simple case to my opinion to force Islam ne te tenir ba kar cheka nirba unit kama Islam ya la violence religion abang ne cha so ti na de mala Islam nung la violence which karbe tune ti cheka nirba nyartala I'm a Muslim and in yara yetu alungoma I pienso bine kana anchi anyen yelle sham I pienso bine in yar la man mama own of contributing to lala issue ani en yel sham ne biane any Muslim students be Muslim personnel if are not a Christian dominated place to force himself or to force our religion on them karnya la zelam balaka tiens on the top channel. I stand to be corrected. No woman shambo won karnya la bi am na bram fo jeng la be bara no be dunga la bo warma na balla an la kama jami ala saw Jama'atu like a no no it is not allowed. This school is strictly for Christianity rules. Abdul Basit Kulchire to tima a comments be amal share be anye share in your to you can see this content is very emotional because it's attached to a religion, and my I don't want take time for the fear of nirvani and yulasham. I even contact one of the imams in yellow dear to a non content 1 2 3 kai yunda like I bale so yeah yul makarman la like anytime they say Muslim they say Islam they analyze it. You should just because yeah in the team na kubulanchi magware yim na but no they check out the unit of violence people. Let's preach ka we won't take out religion of peace. Near similar thing to maybe so better imam Facebook win or platforms so ka o yare about Islamic schools no performer show. Karnyela kaman I can't be to invest more in jinga more than this Islamic educations. Karnyela to mera jinga ma na reveal ma min the mataba no maka to mera competition no be any zala jingle vial gar zala. Karnyela to no the competition shanga in jinga ma mi ma na so tiri en zang le invest no the Islamic education. Tindi nye Muslim bihni yan bishop fulo kadin mo timi kam na duniya shedin ze na bangsam nye duniya kata nye man kata be country share na which ka Christians guys garte ka be country share ka school bangsam gbaza pam swanda anye Muslim so boyeche ka die nye kama exam sit na be yi failures ban fail anye kama Islamic schools ma to dominate ma karman la karma affected karne kadina investment share den the need na ran nan den ma ta zang da sa song jang le ta ska da fa na mi jang de vial pam katta bugarte amanda yele ye haiti zan morne nzan sambanne nzan bina na po jang le kata soro pataba na won yule garne te za kpo te man chang masjid al haram ne te fu jangle ka te suhra ba patawa tinye musulman manga kaza na pora jangle na buar gar te me mansions non air condition non jingane ka te suhra ba patawa abde basit ku chire akola na as always dinya apilgo mo kan yare content mo panga man ka subscribe ka di bell tite drop awesome content sa pahla bayan yare pune peace out.